have made multiple YouTube shorts that went viral and got 1 to 10 million views in few weeks. This is how you can do the same. I recommend you to watch until the end for some tips that no one is yet talking about. First of all, and this is the absolute most important step, you have to make your YouTube short as long as possible. If the limit right now for shorts is 60 seconds, you have to make it at least 59 seconds long. All of my viral videos are longer than 40 seconds and this 10 million views video is 59 seconds long. I made it that way on purpose. Here is another graph that shows you that longer videos get more views on Shorts platform. YouTube basically wants people to stay on the platform as long as possible, so this makes sense. The longer the video and higher the retention, the more YouTube will push it out to more people. Algorithm will push your content to more viewers. Second advice is make your shorts entertaining. 90% of people right now consuming YouTube shorts are in it for the entertainment. And creators that make funny and entertaining videos are growing the fastest. You need your video to reach at least 70 to 80% retention rate for it to go viral. You can see all of my viral videos are super entertaining on purpose and they have around 80% average watching retention rate. Third advice, write your descriptions and tags properly. There is no way the algorithm will understand what your video is about without tags and description. The more precise you explain, the better. This will 100% increase your chances to go viral and get in front of thousands, even millions of people. When you do this, YouTube algorithm will push your content more easily for the specific audience that is interested in this topic. Fourth advice, copy what other successful creators are creating. My suggestion, especially at the beginning, is to find a popular reaction videos and react to them yourself. You literally can do this in 5 to 10 minutes. Find a big YouTube Shorts creator that makes reaction videos, sort by the most popular and react to the same videos they did. After you get at least one viral video, you can slowly start creating your own original style and your own content that you react to. Fifth advice is write a funny comment or question below your own video and pin it to the top, so people can engage with your video and stay on repeat while they answer you. This is probably the second most important tip, because this will help with the retention activity and YouTube will likely push it out to more people because of that. Sixth advice is like and answer all of your comments when you see your video doing decent and getting constant views. This will help because viewers will get a notification after you commented or favorited their comment. This will make your subscribers feel more special and more connected with you, so it will increase the chance of them coming back for more. The truth is that people go online to feel more connected, and if you can give them what they want, you will get more attention as well, which will result in more likes, more views, and more subscribers on your YouTube channel. Seventh advice is share your content on other social media platforms. It will help you get discovered more easily, and people who spend time on other platforms will have a chance to find you. When you are active on multiple platforms, people feel like you are more legit and really hard-working individual. You definitely want this perception because it will open many doors for potential partnerships as well. Drop comment for YouTube algorithm if you found this video helpful, and thanks for watching.